Have you ever stopped to think about how much your carpets actually hold onto? Dust, pet hair, even allergens you can't see? The right vacuum can make all the difference, and today we're looking at the best vacuum cleaner for carpet options that can truly refresh your home. We'll cover everything from power to filtration, so stick around. And if you want to see the current prices for any of these vacuums, the links are in the description below. Let's begin with the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum. When you first use this vacuum, you'll notice how seamlessly it combines traditional bagged suction power with modern convenience. The lift-away design allows you to detach the canister, giving you the freedom to clean stairs, upholstery, or tight corners without losing suction. The PowerFlow bag chamber ensures consistent airflow, so even as the bag fills, you still experience strong, steady suction across your carpets. You'll appreciate how the HEPA filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, leaving your home feeling fresher and your carpets visibly brighter. It's a good vacuum for carpet if you want reliable suction that doesn't fade. Another standout benefit of the Kenmore Intuition is its Pet Handymate tool, which is designed to draw out stubborn pet hair embedded in carpet fibers. Imagine running it along your living room rug and watching tufts of fur vanish, leaving behind a smooth, freshly groomed surface. The swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture effortless, and the lightweight feel of the lift-away canister means you don't have to strain when tackling carpeted stairs. This combination of mobility and power gives you confidence that no corner of your home is out of reach, making it a good vacuum cleaner for carpet in homes with pets. Do you have pets at home that shed a lot? Let me know in the comments which feature you think would help you most with pet hair cleanup. The vacuum also features a hands-free bag disposal system, which means you don't have to come into contact with dust when replacing the bag. This small detail makes a big difference if you're sensitive to allergens. The telescoping wand extends your reach, allowing you to clean high drapes or ceiling corners without switching tools. As you guide the Intuition across your carpet, you'll feel how the motorized brush roll digs deep into the fibers, lifting away debris that other vacuums might leave behind. It's a satisfying experience that leaves your carpets looking revitalized, and it helps the Kenmore stand out as one of the best carpet vacuum choices in its class. Finally, the Kenmore Intuition is designed with convenience in mind. The cord rewind feature saves you time, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris as you glide across your carpeted floors. You'll notice how quickly cleaning sessions go by when you're not fighting with cords or struggling to see what's in front of you. Using this vacuum feels like upgrading your entire cleaning routine. It's efficient, powerful, and thoughtfully designed for homes that want both cleanliness and convenience. Now, moving on, let's talk about the Shark Stratos upright vacuum. This model is built with modern carpet care in mind, offering Duo Clean PowerFin's Hair Pro technology that keeps constant contact with your carpet fibers. As you push it forward, you'll feel the brush roll pulling up embedded dirt and hair, leaving behind a carpet that feels refreshed underfoot. The self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer if you deal with long hair or pet fur, as it actively prevents tangles so you don't have to pause to cut strands free. For many households, this makes the Shark Stratos a good vacuum for carpet that stays effective even in high-traffic areas. The Stratos also introduces odor neutralizer technology, which subtly freshens the air as you clean. Imagine vacuuming your carpet and not only seeing it look cleaner, but also noticing a crisp, neutral scent in the room afterward. The swivel steering allows you to glide around furniture with precision, and the LED headlights reveal dust and hair you might otherwise miss. On thick carpet, the suction feels strong and consistent, giving you the confidence that deep-seated debris isn't being left behind. This is why many consider it among the best vacuum cleaner for carpet options today. Another feature you'll appreciate is the lift-away pod. With the press of a button, you can detach the canister and carry it to stairs or above floor areas, all while maintaining full suction power. This makes it easy to transition from your living room carpet to upholstered furniture or drapery without switching machines. The lightweight design of the pod ensures you can carry it comfortably, while the extended reach wand allows you to tackle high or low areas with equal ease. The Shark Stratos is also designed for homes that want a balance of thorough cleaning and convenience. The large dust cup means you can clean multiple rooms without stopping to empty it, and the advanced filtration system captures fine dust particles, making your carpets not just look clean, but feel healthier too. As you use it, you'll notice how it adapts seamlessly to different carpet piles, giving you a consistent sense of freshness across your home. Which feature do you personally value more in a vacuum? Strong suction for deep carpet cleaning or advanced filtration for cleaner air? Drop your answer below, because I genuinely love to hear your take. Next, let's turn to the Dyson Ball Animal 3 upright vacuum. From the moment you guide it across your carpet, you'll feel the strength of Dyson's powerful suction, engineered specifically for homes with pets. The Ball technology makes steering intuitive. You simply tilt and turn your wrist, and the vacuum glides smoothly around furniture and obstacles. On carpets, the motorized brush bar digs deep into fibers, pulling up hair and dirt that other vacuums often leave behind. It's an experience that shows why this is often called the best vacuum for carpet in pet-friendly homes. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 is fitted with a whole machine filtration system that traps allergens and expels cleaner air. If you suffer from allergies, you'll notice how much fresher the room feels after a cleaning session. The self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to different floor types, so you can move from thick carpet to low-pile rugs without adjusting settings. This seamless transition makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a natural rhythm, proving it to be a good vacuum cleaner for carpet that adapts to your lifestyle. One of the most impressive features is the tangle-free turbine tool, designed specifically for removing hair from carpets and upholstery. Picture running it along your carpeted stairs and watching it lift away clumps of pet hair without the brush roll ever getting clogged. The combination of strong suction and specialized tools means you can trust this vacuum to handle the most hair-prone areas of your home. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 also emphasizes durability and ease of use. The hygienic bin emptying system allows you to release debris with a single action, keeping your hands clean. The long power cord and hose give you extended reach, so you can cover large rooms without constantly changing outlets. As you move it across your carpet, you'll feel the assurance of a machine designed not just for cleaning, but for making your home feel noticeably fresher and more comfortable. Next up, let's explore the Sebo Airbelt K3 canister vacuum. This vacuum offers a different experience from uprights, with a compact canister design that provides flexibility and precision. The ET1 powerhead is engineered to deliver strong agitation on carpets, lifting dirt and debris from deep within the fibers. As you use it, you'll notice how effortlessly it glides across your carpet, leaving behind a surface that looks newly groomed. For those who want a good vacuum for carpet but prefer a canister style, this is an excellent choice. The Airbelt K3 is known for its quiet operation, making it a great choice if you want to clean without disturbing the household. The canister itself is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and the hose gives you the freedom to reach under furniture or into tight corners. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design of the Airbelt bumper, which protects your walls and furniture as you move the vacuum around your home. This makes cleaning feel less stressful and more fluid, reinforcing its reputation as one of the best vacuum cleaner for carpet options in the canister category. Another benefit is the vacuum's sealed filtration system, which ensures that dust and allergens are captured securely. As you empty the bag, you'll notice how clean and contained the process feels, without the cloud of dust that some vacuums release. The adjustable suction control allows you to fine-tune the power for different carpet types, so you can clean delicate rugs with the same confidence as thick-pile carpets. The Sebo Airbelt K3 is also designed for long-term reliability. Its components are built for durability, and the vacuum's modular design makes it easy to maintain. As you guide it across your carpets, you'll feel the combination of strong suction and smooth handling, giving you the sense that your carpets are being cared for at a professional level. It's a vacuum that brings both precision and power into your everyday cleaning routine, making it a best carpet vacuum contender for those who value engineering and longevity. And now, let's finish with the Miele Complete C3 Marin Canister Vacuum. This vacuum is often celebrated for its balance of quiet performance and powerful suction, making it a pleasure to use on carpets. The Electro-Brush floor head is engineered to dig deep into carpet fibers, lifting dirt and debris with ease. As you push it forward, you'll feel the brush roll, engaging with the carpet, leaving behind a surface that looks revitalized and feels softer underfoot. It's easy to see why many consider it the best vacuum for carpet in the premium canister category. The C3 Marin also features Miele's Parquet Twister, which gives you the flexibility to move seamlessly between carpet and hard floors. The swivel neck design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, and the canister follows smoothly behind you, never feeling cumbersome. The controls are located at your feet, so you can adjust suction power without bending down, a small detail that makes a big difference during longer cleaning sessions. One of the most impressive aspects of the C3 Marin is its filtration system. The Air Clean Sealed system, paired with a HEPA filter, ensures that even the finest particles are captured. As you clean your carpets, you'll notice how much fresher the air feels, making your home environment more comfortable, especially if you're sensitive to allergens. The dust bag system is designed to close automatically when removed, so you never come into contact with dust. This makes it a good vacuum cleaner for carpet if clean air quality is a top priority. The Miele Complete C3 Marin is also built with longevity in mind. The stainless steel telescopic wand extends your reach, while the long power cord and automatic rewind give you freedom to move through large rooms without interruption. As you guide it across your carpets, the quiet hum of the motor and the smooth glide of the floor head create a cleaning experience that feels refined and efficient. It's a vacuum that not only cleans but elevates the way you care for your carpets, solidifying its place as one of the best carpet vacuum models you can buy. Before we wrap up, which of these vacuums do you think would fit your home best? Share your pick in the comments. I'd love to see which one stands out to you. So, whether it's the versatility of the Kenmore Intuition, the innovative Shark Stratos, the power of the Dyson Ball Animal 3, the precision of the Sebo Airbelt K3, or the refined performance of the Miele Complete C3 Marin, each of these vacuums has something unique to offer. If you'd like to check the current prices for any of them, you'll find the links waiting in the description below.